This man is a nomad, so the man decides to make a DIY refrigerator out of ice and window frames. He pours water into the window frames and waits for it to freeze overnight. Then he connected the frames and made lights. He made the shelves and attached the handle. As he lives in a long winter conditions, he needs to store food somewhere. If he store food just on the ground or hide in ice, it will be eaten by bears or wild animals. He finds it difficult to carry typical fridge with him. I think the nomad likes such a refrigerator. Would you like to have that one during travel?